Hello and welcome to a video that I was requested to do. Someone asked me about how do I get the Chinese style takeaway chicken curry here if you don't have access to the actual sauce. Well, this is the closest you can get if you don't have a Chinese takeaway. This is Mayflower's curry sauce mix. This one here is the extra hot. As you can see, you can get mild, but I like it hot, so we'll use this one today. What you'll need for this is obviously some chicken for the chicken curry. You'll need some, I use the Balsmati rice, which is the best, nice and fluffy. You need olive oil, your pan, salt, some garlic just to taste the chicken, some seasoning, 2 onions because I like onions, and pepper, and a big knife and a beer just to drink in case you get thirsty. Right, normally what I find here is that I can only get basically the Indian style, which is the Sharwoods, but I don't always like the Indian. I prefer the Chinese takeaway, and this sauce here is the closest you can get. It's a powdered sauce, so you have to mix it with water. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I've put everything to the side and now I'm going to chop the onions. So take my knife and 1, 2, 3. Okay, onions chopped. Now what I want to do is I want to get the rice started. So take the rice, turn the heat on, move this oil out of the way, I'll put some hot water in this pan and get it started. Let that heat up a bit. Just let that fill up. Now obviously to taste the rice I'll add some salt. This is just normal table salt. Let's see, we'll do about half a teaspoon just to give it some flavour. And I'm just using cheap supermarket owned Balsmati rice. Do that, get that in there. I'll just do about a quarter of the bag. So I quite like that rice. Okay. Now what I want to do is add some of the oil to the pan and get that started for the onions. And this all has to be done as you go. It's just normal olive oil. Just move that to the side. And I'll put the onions in the pan. Right, that's good. Now let's get our chicken. Let's get our chicken out and cut that. Again, this is just normal chicken, nothing fancy. We'll just stick that on there. Now what I like to do with the chicken is I like to get rid of the wee bits of fat at the bottom and all that. So we'll do that. And by the magic of TV, we'll get the chicken chopped and cubed. Right, chicken chopped. Now I need to stir the rice. Just move that to there. Right, I need to stir the rice. Do that now. Put that to the side. The onions are starting to fry, good. That's that heating up. That's good. We'll get that on the go. Right, time for my beer. Getting a bit thirsty here. There we go. Right, so the chicken's chopped, the onions are frying and the rice is cooking away nicely. I put a wee bit of olive oil in that pan, so we don't need that anymore. Now what I want to do now is mix the curry sauce. What I just use is one of these measuring things, but I don't measure it accurately, I just put water up to about there. Lukewarm water. The packet actually says add cold water, but I just do lukewarm if it's out of the kettle or whatever, but hey ho. So let's move that just to the side now. Let's put that there. Let's get some water. Just put it in the kettle for the video and just stick it in. There we go, just about 3/4. And get your mix. What it is, comes in one of these containers, and all it is a powder. What I normally do is just get the spoon and do 1, 2, 3 to start, and just give it a good stir. And while that dissolves, just keep an eye on your onions so they don't burn. Just get them started and fry away nicely. Put that to the side because you might need a little bit more in a moment. Stir your rice so it doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan. Stir your sauce. Now the good thing about this sauce is it looks kind of watery at the moment, but once you put it into the pan with the chicken and the onions, it thickens up. So if it's too watery, obviously you add more powder and let it simmer away until it thickens up until the consistency that you want it. If it's too thick, then tough shit. Because the secret of cooking is less is more. You can add more powder, but you can't take it out. So always remember that. Right, the onions are done, so what I do now is add the chicken, fry that in. I can move this board out of the way. Get it all even so it can all cook at one time. Now what I do now for the chicken is add some salt just for flavour. That'll do it. And some pepper, and this is just store-bought pepper, just normal. Just sprinkle that for flavour. Not too much. A wee bit of seasoning, Italian season, just to flavour the chicken. And a wee bit of garlic. Oh, a bit much, but who cares? I like it. So and just turn that until the chicken is cooked evenly, white on both sides, and then it's starting to cook in the middle as well. That should take about 3 or 4 minutes. Turn it all over so it's all cooked on both sides. Now that's what I like about this dinner. It's quick and easy. It basically takes you as long as it takes the rice to cook. The sauce is ready, so once you get everything going and started, it's just a case of adding it all together. As simple as that. And sticking it on the plate and eating it. Right, I'll give a wee tidy up and I'll get back to you in a couple of minutes. Okay, the chicken is almost finished cooking through, so just give it a last little stir in the pan. Now what we want to do is take the curry mixture that I've mixed here and add it to the pan. Now at first it looks a little bit watery, but trust me, it'll thicken up. There we go. Just get the rest out. Doesn't matter. It's all going the same way. Now we let that sit and simmer and thicken until the consistency you want. Like I said, you can add more powder to bring it up the thickness, or that should be enough and be pretty good. So while that cooks and simmers and the rice has got a few more minutes, get my plate ready. I'll get the sieve ready for the rice. I'll go drink my cheap Lidl beer, and then we'll plate up. Okay, that's almost done. I've taken the rice off and just about to plate up. Got a dinner plate here. Now, a wee trick I'll show you. If you want to make your plate look good, get your plate, put your rice in a bowl, press it down so the rice is compact, like so. Put your plate on top, and then flip it over quickly so the rice doesn't fall out. Put it to the side and lift the plate up, and there you go. Get a nice bit of rice. Looks pretty. If you want to impress somebody, take this off, get a ladle, here. Look at that. Better than the shop. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Tastes just as good, if not better, than the actual Chinese shop. And it's a fraction of the cost. Look how many, you could probably get 4 or 5 curries out of that. And it only cost me the bag of rice and a packet of chicken. Chicken was like £3 or £4. The rice was like £1. Look at that, you can heap as much as you want on, and the rest you can keep in the fridge till later or tomorrow, whatever you want to do. Just heap it on. Look at that, brilliant. Keep that for later. Turn the cooker off. There you go. Chicken curry. Fantastic. If you want to be even fancier, you want to impress somebody, give it a wee bit of herb. Right folks, like, comment and subscribe if you liked the video, and if I put it on Facebook then maybe I'll do something else. So give us a comment below, any ideas or suggestions. Okay, peace out, bye.